Good morning everyone. My name is Harshita Patel from class 12 from MBS Public School. Today I am here to describe topic transformer. Now what is transformer? Transformer is a device with increase or decrease alternating voltage. There are two types of transformer: step up transformer, step down transformer. First we discuss about step up transformer. Now in the step up transformer increase alternating voltage and decrease the value of current. In step up transformer, the number of turns in primary coil is less, but the wire is thick, and the number of turns in secondary coil is more. The number of turns in primary coil is less, but the wire is thick, and the number of turns in secondary coil is more, but the wire is thin. Now we discuss about step down transformer. In step down transformer, the number of turns in primary coil is more, but the wire is thin, and the number of turns in secondary coil is less, but the wire is thick. Now construction of transformer. There are only three parts of transformer: primary coil, secondary coil, and laminated core. Laminated core is made up of rectangular and circular strip which is cut from middle in rectangular and circular shape. This is called laminated core. The coil at which alternating voltage is applied is called primary coil, and the coil at whose terminal induced EMF is generated is called secondary coil. And uses of transformer. There are many uses of transformer like in radios, TVs, fans, etc. Thank you.